At Norco, we manufacture large composite structures and tooling for both the commercial and defence industries. Operating from 6 sites across the UK, with a combined capacity of over 126,000 square feet, we employ more than 160 skilled professionals. Since our founding in 1985, we've been dedicated to innovation, quality, and dependable British manufacturing standards. Our one-stop shop approach allows us to deliver complete composite solutions under one roof, from concept through to final production. We provide end-to-end composite manufacturing services, working in close collaboration with our customers to achieve optimal results. From concept to creation, our expertise in design for manufacture ensures every structure is optimized for efficient, cost-effective production. Using advanced 5-axis CNC machining, we produce large-scale tooling with exceptional precision and consistency. And when it comes to composite structures, our skilled team delivers at scale through expert hand lamination and Prepreg manufacturing. Our capabilities include resin infusion for complex composite structures. We support efficient volume production across a range of programs. We also utilize advanced CNC kitting and 3D printing to support accuracy and repeatability. We also provide full painting and finishing to deliver complete, ready-to-use structures. Norco is fully equipped for complete in-house composite manufacturing. Our facilities include multiple autoclaves and large curing ovens for advanced composite processing. Precision inspection is carried out using Leica laser tracking, ensuring every structure meets our strict standards. Norco is proud to work with many of the world's leading organisations across aerospace, defence, marine and industrial sectors. Our partnerships are built on trust, collaboration and a shared commitment to quality and innovation. Norco, trusted partner in composites, delivering value through innovation, collaboration and quality manufacturing.